Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a little unboxing for you guys. I got reached out by Words. Words are really hard. That was not a sentence. It's not how you start sentences. BeebeeCraft reached out to me again to do another collaboration, and so I got to pick up some stuff, and I barely remember what I picked. So this is going to be a fun unboxing for the both of us, because I have the memory of a goldfish. And we're going to find out what I got, what they sent me. I'm actually really excited for this one. This package is huge. I liked the last collaboration we did, so I was really excited when they offered the opportunity to do it again. And, ooh, this is going to be good. And then I shut my light off. Hold on. And then there was light and a mess of paper that really needs to get taken care of. So, what did we get? This is a really good question. Phew. Alright. Lots of good stuff this time. Fun. Alright, so let's just make a mountain here. What's this? I think this is the packing slip. It is, in fact, the packing slip. So, the first thing I got were some wire. Some jewelry wire. Permanently colored wire. In silver. They're all in silver. And I got a couple different weights. So I think there's a 20 gauge, a 22 gauge, and a 24 gauge, I think. 22 gauge, 18 gauge. Hold on. Now I'm just making up stuff. 20. Okay, sorry. So there was 18, 20, and 22 gauge. So that's some good weight, some good fun wire. So I'm excited to see what I make. I don't know, but we're gonna find out together, I think, as we go on here. And then the next thing I got was where's my carrot? I need my carrot for unboxings. Oh, I even hit my camera. Look at that. We're all crooked here. Why does it look like none of my lights are on? Like I'm in the dark. You guys see that? That's a light, and it's on. It just looks like I'm in the dark over here. It's not even that dark. Hold on, I'm technical difficulties. Okay, my lights weren't up all the way. That was the problem. It still looks pretty dark. I don't know why. It's a very bright sunny day and the window's open and everything, but we're just gonna roll with it. So up next, we have our carrot knife, and we will figure out what these are. I think they're bezels? Are those words that I know? How did I use a knife and didn't open any of this? I don't understand. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, they're little bezels, which I think will be fun. We'll do maybe like some resin stuff in here. I also have a bunch of crystals, like cabochons, with no place to go. So probably see if I can fit some of them in these and make some cute little pendants. But yeah, these are fun. And there's like a bunch of different sizes. And a bunch of different pieces. So yeah, that's a pretty good deal. I also love that they come in this little case. That makes it very nice. I will be able to empty the bag in here and then use the little case after I use up all the little things. So, up next we got something very noisy. I wish I remembered what I did here, but I don't. It's wild to me how I exist in life, not knowing up from down. But we're going to find out together. I'm glad that you guys are here with me on this journey of discovery. Ooh! They were in a bag, but the bag is open. So, they were packed well. The bag just didn't survive the shipping, I think. But we got some bookmarks. So we're going to make some fun, like, little dangly bookmarks for our books. And there's a bunch of different sizes and metal colors. I really like this pretty flower design. This one's got, like, a squiggly design on it. But ooh, this is fun. I'm excited. Excited to see what we make. Oh, there's like some blank ones too. So that's fun. You can't have too many bookmarks, can you? So looking forward to doing that. Probably on a live. I think it'll be fun to do these on a live. But let's see. Also, if you don't have your notifications turned on, I go live on the weekends, and you need them. So this is a DIY jewelry making kit. Here we go. Just a minor struggle. I'm gonna get it, though. What is... Maybe I'm not. Hold on. Ooh, it's a box within a box. Here we go. Ooh, okay, I remember this one. This is a, like, faux turquoise kit of, like, earrings and stuff. And it's got a bunch of... It comes with some instructions on how to make some bohemian-style turquoise earrings. I don't need these. But here's, like, a bunch of examples of all the types of earrings that you can make. Don't need that either, because we're gonna go off-road and do our own thing. But it's a bunch of dyed howlite. It's not actually turquoise. But I like howlite, and I like that it's dyed, and honestly, it's a lot more cost efficient than turquoise. Because you guys know, I don't know if you guys know, turquoise has to be stabilized in order to be jewelry worthy, so that's part of what makes it so expensive on top of its rarity. We got some really nice, like, beads and shapes here. This is pretty. And we have some little chips. Ugh, come out. And then there's some rings and some, like, hammered disc pieces. Looks like there are some head and eye pins. There's some earring hooks. Oh, and a little extra divider for this little pocket, which is cool. I love that I'm getting storage to go with this. Like, once I use up this stuff, I'll still have the storage pieces left over. That's a really good deal. And we got some more little rings and some feathers. There's some little squares in here. Some hearts. Some of these, like, semicircles. So, yeah, this will be fun. We'll do, like, an earring bash. Or, yeah, an earring bash. What am I calling it? Earring blast. We'll do an earring blast and make, like, a bunch of different earrings. Got some more loops, some jump rings, and some spiky bits. Those are fun. And we'll just see how many pairs of earrings we can make out of this little box. I think that'll be really fun. Everybody back inside. I love that. I love that it's just, like, this nice little kit. And it's all self-contained. That's fun. And then, the other thing we got... This is a really good haul. I was not expecting this much stuff in that bag. Oh, I'm kind of excited. Ugh, that was a struggle. I think we've come to terms with the fact that all of this was a struggle. But this is a findings kit, and I'm very excited for this, because I have been waiting to get these little pieces in particular so that we can do the ribbon bookmarks that I've been talking about on the lives, but I didn't have the little pieces for it. And now I do. So these are like the little, like cord ends that you use to like clamp down the ribbons. And you can attach some charms to them. And it comes in 3 different sizes. And we got 3 different metal types. And then we got some jump rings in 2 different sizes here. And then some lobster claws. And we got a little bit of chain. So that's neat. I'll open up these later so that they're all in their little compartments living their best life. But yeah, we got all the stuff we need to make these little bookmarks, and then some in this little thing, so excitement! I'm very excited. I cannot wait. Because I have been waiting. And then the very last thing we got is in this very big box. What could it be? Alright. Ooh, I remember. You guys you're gonna love this. Hold on. How do I get into it? With proper scissors, probably. Excuse me, box. I don't know. We're just gonna go for it, and then we'll find out if this was an error. Aha. I think I got it. These are super well packaged, and they have to be because they're glass. Haha, Okay. So, we got some little close jars, some little bell jars. Where's the opening? Because that's noisy. I had so much fun making that terrarium on the live, so I thought it'd be cute to make some little tiny ones. So we got little tiny ones. There's 3 different sizes. There's a small and a medium and a large. I thought that would be really fun. Now I have to find the right stuff to go inside there. It's probably going to be crystals, because let's be real, I have crystals out the wazoo. I am not short of crystals at any point in my life, nor will I ever be, I think. I will be buried with them, and as a matter of fact. But look at that, look how cute that is! Oh my god! That's not the right size. Learn dimensions. There we go. That's not the right size either. Wait a minute. Hold on. This is medium. That was medium. I could have used that one. But look at how cute! Ooh, I love it. What if I had like a really cool bug to go in here? I'm already thinking about it. Hold on. I gotta think about things. I know I have crystals that'll fit in here. And something teeny tiny, like a little bumblebee. That would be so cute. Okay, so yeah, lots of stuff to play with. I have to do a couple of videos, and then I'll probably do a couple lives, and we'll play with all this stuff. And I'll get my little fingers and everything, and we'll see how it all comes out. But let me know what you guys are most excited to see me use first. And I will prioritize that first on my list of videos to make. And I'm going to try to store this in a way where I don't drop them all and break them, because that's very likely. They're very glass. And I am not known for being careful. So, we're going to sort that out. Figure out a good way to keep these safe. And yeah, that's going to be it for me, you guys. I will leave the link to BeebeeCraft down below, and as well as the links to the stuff that is specifically in this box. I need to go dig that up. But like, excitement. I can't wait to show you guys the stuff that I'm going to make with this. And yeah, that's going to be it for me. Thanks for hanging in and watching. I will catch you all in the next one. I appreciate your faces, guys. And happy crafting. Bye!